Hi, this is Sara Levin, the Artful Inker of theartfulinker.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I'm here to share with you the basics of putting together a theater card. And theater cards open like this. They're just a fun, different kind of fold. So let me set this aside and we'll get started. For the theater card, you'll cut one piece of cardstock into 4 equal pieces. Then you will trim 2 of them per the directions that you can find in the cutting tutorial on my blog. The link to that is in the description below. Then you will cut one piece with a stitched rectangle die to create a frame. So let's set the 2 pieces aside. Now we're going to take these 2 pieces that were trimmed and my trimmer, and we're going to score them. So let me show you scoring for one. You're going to put this in and score at first score mark here, and then you're going to score again you're going to then fold this piece is over top, this piece comes behind, and we'll do that to the second piece as well. So we've got both of these pieces and they're folded in opposite directions, and now we need to cut a slit. So we're going to put this score line in at 1/2 inch, and then let me lift this slightly. I'm going to come up 1/2 inch from the bottom, and then I'm going to cut for 1 inch. And then this one we're going to put in at the 1/2 inch on this other side, and then I'm going to bring the blade down 1/2 inch and cut 1 inch, and that way my slits will be the same on either side. Next we're going to take the short strip and put it in here at the 1/2 inch mark, and just to give myself an aid here so that I can see my lines just a little better, I'm coming in 1/4 inch from the side, lifting up, and then coming down for another 1/4 inch cut. And I'm going to flip this around and do the same thing again, and slide this in so that I can see where the marks are on this side. Lift the blade, oops, and then come back in for 1/4 inch. Now I just want to turn these, and I'm going to cut from cut line to cut line. If I say the wrong measurements in the video, please pay attention to what is in the printed tutorial for the cutting. And I'm just lining up with the opposite side and coming down, and then removing this little bit. Okay, so let's set this aside. Now that we have all of our pieces prepped, let's bring everything in here and put this together. So the last thing I need to do before assembling is to use my 3/4 inch circle punch and nip out a little bit on each side. I have a tick mark so that these will line up. And just to let you know, the 3/4 inch circle punch is retiring with this Stampin' Up! Catalog. So let's add some multi-purpose glue and put these on the back of our frame here. Now I'm using black and white just so that you can see how pieces go together. I would use whatever my base cardstock color is. All of these pieces would be the same color. And just making sure I've got everything lined up here. Okay. So next are these pieces. Fold them together. Let's make sure my score lines are at the bottom, so I need to change the direction this one's folded so that they both have those scored slits, cut slits, I guess, instead of scored slits in the right place. Okay. This is the only really tricky bit of the whole thing. Again, slits on the bottom, fold these up. These two pieces need to meet in the middle of this piece. So I found that laying them both down at the same time gave me the best chance of them meeting in the middle. Okay, I'm going to take my bone folder now and give these a really good fold here and a really good fold here, and the same thing on this one. Okay, so next I have this tab piece, and you're going to fold 2 of these tabs in and feed it through here, and then feed it through this side and open up these tabs, and then we're just going to slide these pieces through on either end. Oops, I'm being a little fiddly here, sorry about that, because it's really much easier when you're not on camera. Okay, and there's our theater card. Opens and closes easily, and then you just need to decorate. So you can find the cutting directions. There's a link for them in the description below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please give this video a thumbs up. Shop for all your current Stampin' Up! Products in my store. There's a link for that below. And have a great day. This was Sara Levin, the Artful Inker of theartfulinker.com. Bye.